welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Olushola DBC in the studio. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about 4 deadly Makossa lick that you can use to claim the stage as a guitarist. So before we move to the lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Please do ensure you put on the notification bell so as for you not to miss any video update. Now let's get to the lesson. So the first lick sample I played was this. So I'm not going to play it very slow now. The notes I play. Mi, 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 re, re, do, la, fa, la, do, fa, mi, re. That's the first part. Mi, 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 re, re, do, la. That's truth. Fa, la, do, fa, mi, re. Re, do, ti, la, so, fa, la, so, la, mi. So all together slowly. So groove 3 4 1 2 3 4. So that's the first lick. Now the second lick goes like this. So the breakdown is the pentatonics, then so si la fa mi re do. That's the first part. Mi do la so mi so si la fa mi re do. La do ti so ti do la ti do la fa ti do la re la si so do la so mi so si la fa mi re do. So slowly. So I'm going to play it. I'm going to play the first variation, then play the second part as well. That's the first part. Then la do ti so ti do la ti do la fa ti do la re la si so. La do ti so ti do la ti do la fa ti do la re la si so. Then you start again. Do la so mi so si la fa mi re do. La do ti so ti do la ti do la fa ti do la re la si so. Do la so mi so si la fa mi re do. La do ti so ti do la ti do la fa ti do la re la si so. That's the second lick. So the third lick is just like a pentatonics. It's from a pentatonics line. So we have something like so mi do la so mi re do so la so la re mi re do la so mi re so la so la. I think that's pretty simple. Now for the last lick, it's kind of tricky, so we have to really take this gently. I'm going to play it. It's of 3 variations, so I want you to listen as I play it. first variation is this. So, do, ti, la, re, di, do, fa, la, do, la, fa, do, ti, re, so, re, do, ti, so, do, ti, la, so, fa. That's where it ended. So again, slowly. Then to the second variation. So you getting the first part will make it easier for you to get the other part. So let me break down the other what we have inside the lick. So the first thing is so, do, ti, la, re, do. Then a chromatic from your second degree, re, di, do. Then chord 4 arpeggio. So you sweep down, you sweep up back. So then a chromatic approach to your chord 5. You are targeting the third of your chord 5, that is so, ti, the third, do, ti. Then you use a chromatic approach, do, ti, re, so, re, do, ti. Then arpeggio, like a power chord form kind of thing. Your root, your fifth, then your fifth, your root, then your fifth again. Do, ti, re, so, re. So, do, ti, la, re, di, do, fa, la, do, la, fa, do, ti, re, so, re, do, re, so, re, ru, fa, do, ti, so, re, do, ti, so, re, do, fa, do, ti, la, so, fa, do. Then you move to the second variation. Do, ti, la, re, di, do, fa, la, do, la, fa, do, ti, re, so, re, do, ti, re, so, re. Then do, ti, so, re, do, fa, la, do, la, fa. That plays again. Do, ti, so, re, do, fa, la, do, la, fa. That's the way it ends. Then mi, do, ti, la, ti, so, re, di, do, fa, la, do, la, fa, do, ti, re, so, re, do, ti, so, re, do, fa, la, do, la, fa, do, la, so. So I'm going to play it very slow now. Third variation. Now I would like to do a loop jam, that is how to apply all these 4 licks to any song that has a progression of 1, 4, 5 or the Makossa progression. So now let's listen to how it's going to sound. Starting from the first lick. Then the second lick. Then the third lick. Then the final lick. Now. Hey you fams, hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you do, please, I would like you to click the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any video update. Please do well to practice everything that you've learned. Thank you. Please share this with friends, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next class.